Termites, cockroaches, bugs everywhere. How do you get rid of these pests without dangerous chemicals all around your house? Organic pest control. Alpha Ecological Pest Control has figured it out.
You know, it fascinates me. You're talking about pest control. Pest control means all kinds of hideous substances. This is Scott. Scott runs a fully green, ecological pest control business, right?
That's correct.
Think about pest control, you think about all kinds of nasty substances that people are going to pick up on or potentially pick up on. What's it really all about? How do you get around that?
Well, for us, the green approach to pest control is, really been about the customers, and it incorporates just your, common sense approach. First one is prevention. Second one is picking the smartest products. Third part involved in that would be, just having highly trained technicians and making sure that you're responsible with the application procedure.
The green approach. All right, so that is the foundation pretty much behind everything you do.
Yes, it is. It's not a new concept to be green. It's just smarter.
Well, let's get down to the practical side. We're here now. This is a fairly old house, certainly by American standards. By UK standards, it's about 3 years old. But there is a problem here with pests.
Yes.
So what are we dealing with?
Well, what we got the call for on this one is soil originating ants. This particular one will migrate from the outside or the perimeter into the home and establish colonies. I mean, they could have 100, 200,000 behind a light socket.
Okay, well, take me inside.
Absolutely.
Show me what you guys do.
Yeah, we'll take a look around. All right, Andrew, let's check out the basement first. A lot of times this is where you'll see the majority of the activity originating.
So what are we looking for here, Scott?
Well, we're looking at the base of the structure for any supply of heat or moisture, and also any food supply. Generally speaking, it's just heat and moisture if it's a crawl space or a basement. So that's where we've come to right in here. We've got the furnace, the hot water heater, and I'm definitely seeing some bleed over of water down here.
So as a quick rule of thumb then, for those of you that have got a house, maybe got a basement, something like this, look for water, look for heat. That's going to give you that terrible environment, right?
Absolutely. Over here is where they reported the activity coming in at the base of the door here, and then tracking up across the counter and all the way over to the other side of the kitchen to the pantry here. So this is definitely where I want to spend some time inspection.
So you're telling me these ants actually will travel across the kitchen to find food, and they'll know where the food is?
Absolutely. And once they start going, they all communicate via chemical emission. So they leave a trail wherever they go, and that's how they remember how to get back again.
Fascinating.
Yes.
All those years watching those cartoons with ants tramping across like soldiers' carpets, that's the reason why. They leave a scent, then the others know where to go.
Yep.
What have we got here, Scott?
This is a product that we use in kitchens for baiting ants.
So show me where you're going to put it then.
Well, we're going to start where they've been seeing activity and where we've noted a couple of other ants just since we've been in here. They're coming in on this door on both sides, but initially they were coming down here, so I'm going to go behind that alcove right there to start with. And it just takes a couple little droplets. If you take a look at that, Andrew, you notice that that ant is kind of erratically moving up the side of the refrigerator here. Not commonplace for an ant.
Can I squash it on there?
Yeah, we'll wipe it off afterwards. I'll go ahead and sign the waiver for that.
Yeah, it stinks.
I can smell it from here.
Really stinks.
They're well named.
Scott, thanks very much.
You're welcome, Andrew.
Very interesting. I had actually no idea there was this much involved in ants. And some great tips for people watching. I mean, there are some things there that none of us really knew that are pretty important. So it's good to be green.